This video provides you speech on Holi in English. Today, we gather here to celebrate the vibrant festival of colors, Holi. Holi is not just a festival, it's a celebration of life, love, and the triumph of good over evil. It brings us together, transcending barriers of age, gender, and status, to reveal in the joyous spirit of the occasion. Holi is a time to forget our differences and come together in a riot of colors. It is a time to spread love and happiness, to forgive and forget, and to start anew. The colors of Holi reminds us that life should be lived in full color, embracing all its hues and shades. As we immerse ourselves in the festives, let us remember the message of Holi, to spread joy and happiness wherever we go. Let us use this festival as an opportunity to mend broken relationships, to bridge gaps, and to build bonds that last a lifetime. On this joyous occasion, let us also remember those less fortunate than us. Let's extend a hand of friendship and support to those in need and make this festival a truly inclusive celebration. In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. So let us celebrate Holi not just with colors but with act of kindness and compassion towards all. Let's come together, play with colors, dance to rhythm of joy, and make this Holi a festival to remember. May the color of Holi fill our lives with happiness, peace, and prosperity. Wishing you all a very happy and colorful Holi. Thank you.